Hello, I'm Zoe Lister, best known for being the voice of Jet2 Holidays. I've led quite a varied sort of creative career. I was in Hollyoaks back in the day as a long-running character, Zoe Carpenter. Then I became a writer on that show for about 10 years and wrote on other little things like children's dramas. And I've done lots of voice acting as well, as you might have heard. I just had a lovely session with the students of LMA and they had so many questions. We talked about how I got into voice acting in the first place. We talked about my acting career. I spoke a lot about being flexible. You always have to keep an open mind. If you're doing this for a bit, that doesn't have to be forever. Everything kind of leads its way to where you eventually end up. So it's all valid and valuable. So don't lose hope was my message. Going viral is such a bizarre thing. Everyone wants a piece of you, and I did loads and loads of interviews. I suddenly got loads and loads of followers, so it felt like I had to be like creating content all the time. So it was a lot, but it's been really, really great. I've loved it. I think events like this are so valuable to students who are just starting out. So I think it's really helpful to get like actual insights from people who've lived and worked in all of these kinds of industries. And it's just so helpful for them. And they can ask whatever questions they have. They can start networking and understanding the importance of networking. It's just trying to inspire the students in the right way and let them know what they can be doing right now. So yeah, I think it's really valuable experience for them.